Hi, I'm John. I'm the product specialist for heat detection at LIC. Today we're going to go through the application and preparation process for the Bullseye, the Heat Patch and the Heat Patch Plus. Boxes include a preheating reminder, a set of instructions on application and a tack cloth. So one of the most important processes of the heat detection application is the prep of the cow. So you want to remove any loose hair or dirt using a soft brush with the direction of the hair growth, and make sure you do not overbrush as this can raise oils from the skin. Trim long hair if necessary to 15 millimeters, as longer hair can cause the patch to slide to one side, meaning it does not receive the pressure needed to activate the patch. All LIC heat detection includes a tack cloth. Use the tack cloth to remove any excess hair or dirt, wiping once over the backbone over the application area. The tack cloth can be used until it is no longer sticky to touch. So we've got a box of water, which is going to be heated to 55 degrees or minimum of 35 degrees. And we've got another empty box here where our heat patch or our heat patch plus are going to go into. So the process of heating the patches just makes the patch a lot more adhesive and a lot more tacky, and it will stick to the cow a lot better. So what you want to do, you want to put your hot water in one bucket, heat patch and heat patch plus in the other, making sure that the heat patches don't get wet, and just simply place it on top and let that heat come up through. Another option for heating would be a fan heater or a hot water bottle in a chili bin. After preheating your heat patch or heat patch plus, the patches should become a lot more pliable and the adhesion should become a lot more tacky, and it should peel away easily from the backing and ready to apply to the cow. For all heat detectors, position slightly behind the hips, centered on the backbone. For larger cows, move slightly towards the rear. Try not to place in a depression, as this can affect the pressure needed to activate the patches. For the heat patch and heat patch plus, make sure the arrows on the patch are facing towards the head of the cow. For the bullseyes, make sure the patch is going across the hips. All LIC heat detectors can be used in conjunction with tail paint, but make sure you do not apply it on top of tail paint or pour-ons, as this can affect adhesion. For all LIC heat detection products, store in a dry, cool place away from intense heat or intense temperatures. Make sure that the boxes are stored as the arrows indicate on the box. If you have any further questions, contact your agri manager or visit lic.co.nz to trial any of our heat detection products. Remember, all heat detection devices are only an aid and should not be relied upon independently. They should still be used in conjunction with good heat detection training, and other signs of heat should still be looked out for.